In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top no-miss Black Friday lighting deals. You don't want to miss out on this. Now, the first step to finding the best Black Friday deals is research, and you're in the right place to do just that. I'm going to be sharing with you some things you want to watch out for if you're getting lights, if you're getting some cheap lights and you don't know if they're going to work or if they're going to look good. But in this video, I'm going to share with you some things you want to look out for when it comes to that, even if you're shopping through Amazon or something like that, which is what we're going to be looking at today. And if you're watching this on the replay and it's after Black Friday, be sure still, let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below. Some of these deals will continue to go on, so it's still worth taking a look at. And listen, all the products I talk about, I've worked with some of them, I haven't worked with some of them, but it's up to you to look through the reviews and see what other people have said about this as well. So throughout the video, if you want to learn more about a product, you go into Amazon through the links in the description below, you look at the reviews, and you see what other people think about these products. So you know it's not just me talking about these things, because they're great products, and that's what I want to share with you in this video. So first, let me know what lights you're looking at. Let me know in the comments section below. Also, if you have any questions, let me know down there. But we're going to get started over here. We're going to take a look at the GVM RGB LED video light with lighting kits. 680 RS 50 watt LED panel. So 50 watt is going to be fairly bright. Now if you look in my background over here, you'll see these blue lighting. Now we're actually going to talk about the lights that are doing this right now. These are 60 watts. So they're a little bit brighter than what these are going to look like, but they're still really great lights, and you get two of them in the pack along with stands, and you can control it through an app. You're saving a total of 34%. Now, something else you want to look out for if you find a product, look out for little check boxes that say save 10% or something like that, so that way you can save a little extra money. But right now we're saving around $100, which is 34% of the original price. This is a really great deal. And what I'm also looking out for this Black Friday is this pack. So same lights, just with an extra softbox, with a grid pattern there, and I believe maybe a different case, I don't know. So it's more expensive now. So far you are saving 18%, but you might be able to save more later if you watch out and look for this kind of deal later on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that kind of thing. So that's what I'm looking out for. The next light, this is something I'm looking at getting for my desk setup that I'm actually going to purchase for myself. Now this is the key light version of it, and we're saving around $50. So this is for clamping to your desk, saving time. You can connect it, like I've got a Stream Deck right here I'm using. You could connect it to the Stream Deck and even turn it on and off through the Stream Deck, that kind of thing. So it's pretty cool. You could also get the Key Light Air, which is a little bit smaller. You save some money on that. It's $121. So this is if you're doing something like I'm doing right here and you need something on your face, right now I'm using a Fovitec light. Fovitec lights are pretty great. Save some money by going with a secondary brand, and they still work great. So more bang for your buck, I guess. But the Elgato Key Light Air does look pretty impressive, and what I've seen, streamers are using this all over. You're not saving a ton on this yet, but this is definitely something to look out for. You're saving more on this light, which is probably the one I'm going to get. 2800 lumens, which I think is around 100 watts. It's close to that, something like that. So be sure to do your research. You can adjust it through the app, and you can also control it, like I said, through Stream Deck. Let's move on to the next one. This is my favorite light that I have that I use all the time, literally all the time. So this is GVM. If you don't know GVM, Great Video Maker is what it stands for, and it makes sense. This is a great video maker. I highly recommend looking at this one. It's 100 watts, bi-color, comes with the lantern softbox, which helps make the light look extra soft and nice, and it also comes with a heavy-duty stand. And you're saving $158. This is a serious deal. You're saving 40% on this light. Now, I paid, I believe, full price for this, but you're saving a ton of money on this, and it's definitely worth it. I don't know why more people haven't looked at this, because it's great. And what's great is you can attach, I don't know if they're down here. Oh, no, they're probably not. But you can attach a bigger softbox. What I did, I got a giant circular softbox, and I attached it to it, and it looks great. I think it was like a 36-inch softbox. And of course, there are deals going on with those right now probably. We're not going to look at those today, but if you want to, you can look at that. This one comes with a lantern softbox, which is great. You're going to cover more area. If you're doing an interview scenario, put it between both people, and it'll look great. Dimmable, of course, CRI 97+, which, by the way, this is the color accuracy. Something to look at when you're buying lights. The color accuracy. You want to look for something above 90. So this is great. It's between 0 and 100. So 97+, that's very accurate, and you're saving a good bit of money. Definitely worth it there. Now, if you're getting value out of this video, I want you to hit the like button and let me know in the comment section below what lights are intriguing you so far. I want to know more about what you're looking for. We're going to talk about some RGB lights now that I'm really excited about that I use in the background, and I'm going to talk about some pros and cons of these kind of lights. So let's get into it. Over here, we're going to look at this 2-pack 60-watt RGB LED floodlight color changing exterior light. Now this is made for exterior, like you attach it to your house, but I've been using these for video for probably a year and a half, 2 years now. I use them in the background, I use them for all sorts of things, and they work great. And for 80 bucks you get 2 lights, each 60 watts. You can control it from your phone. Now this is a slightly different version because it comes with the remotes there, but it's still basically the same light that I've got. Probably has a longer cable. They're waterproof. Now keep in mind, they're not professional, okay? You got to be careful with them. They could break. The cables on mine seem to be coming out a little bit. Not a big deal. Something that's really cool that you can do though if you want softer lighting, and I talk about this in my review video, which if you want to watch the whole review of these lights, you can click on that video right there. But I talk about this in my review video where you can take the styrofoam thing that comes with it, yeah, and you put a little tape on there, put it on top of it, and it softens it, and it looks great. Now of course that brings the brightness down a little bit because you're shooting light through something, but it's making it softer, so if you're lighting a person, it'll look more flattering and look better on their face. I always make sure people's faces look good. You got that. So yeah, this 2-pack is really impressive. It's been impressing me for a long time now, and they keep running out of stock because I think that video I did got like 20,000 views, and a lot of people have been buying them, so they've been running out of stock. I don't know if it's because of me. I might take that credit though. If you're watching, company, if you want to send me some more, that'd be swell. I'd love to review some more because these lights are awesome. But yeah, take a look at these when you're buying. Now, when it comes to buying cheaper lights on Amazon, this is very important. You want to make sure that the refresh rate is high. You're looking at like a few hundred to 1,000, preferably 1,000 to 3,000, I believe is some of the best. Otherwise, you're going to get those black bars running up and down the screen, you know, and then you're messing with NTSC and PAL and all kinds of things. These work, okay? These are great. The refresh rate is great, which is what I was hoping for at the time. So you want to make sure the refresh rate is great. Otherwise, the camera is going to pick up some weird things going on. Now, if you get a light and you see that, send the light back, okay? Get a different light. I did that with an LED bar once. I was hoping the LED bar would work like these did, but they didn't. And that was kind of a bummer because I wanted an LED bar, and this thing had a terrible refresh rate, and it looked terrible on camera. So you want to be careful about that. So that's probably the most important tip of this video, refresh rate. Now again, if you want to take a look at the whole review video of these lights, I want you to click on this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in that video. Peace.